What's going on, guys and gals? Stock Jock here, up $491 today. I was up actually quite a bit more, somewhere like 670, I think it was. Lost it all, and then my last few trades got me to where I am today. So we'll go over the trades really quick. First off, want to promote the Discord chat that we're running right now. Link is down in the description below. Come on in during market hours. It's a pretty active chat. A lot of people trying to help each other out, make some money. It's free. I'm also here to answer any kind of questions, any kind of trading questions you may have. We've got everything from beginner traders to really good traders. So come on in. Link is down in the description below for the Discord link. But back to the trades. First trade was ZN. This one I've been watching for a few days. I actually played it a few times looking for the candle over candle here on the daily chart, and it was. I'll blow this up actually. All right, so huge pop off, consolidating, and then I actually played it for candle over candle here and here, and just never got the momentum. But today was a little different. Today, you can kind of see it here a little bit. $5 is pretty big resistance right here, and if we were to clear five, there's this huge window up to like 590, which actually hit after hours today. Um, Huge window. So I was banking on getting a piece of this window if five broke. And right when the market opened, there was a big. I was watching the L2, uh, and there was a big wall at $5, and it was slowly but surely it chewed away. Volume was coming in. You can see the volume right here. And so as soon as it looked like that $5 level was going to break, I went long. You can see that right here. Got a quick pop up, a lot of volume coming in. I sold half at 515 and the other half at 520. So really good trade out of the gates. Brought me up, you know, somewhere like 350. AEZS. This one was just a 1 minute play that I decided to go with. This thing has been on a tear recently. You know, these 2 days back to back, huge moves up into this window here. And so out in the morning, we had this pop up, little consolidation, and I went for candle over candle, this break right here. See, I went long 3,000 shares at 289, looking for that break of 291, actually basically 290. Got a quick pop up, it broke it, and I sold for basically a 3 cent win, $90. It did eventually get going, but you know, with that kind of move, I was really hoping for a pop and break this level and just go towards three, break three, get rock and rolling. It didn't do it fast enough for me, so I just took the quick win, got out. Um, you know, there's resistance on the daily here at this level that I was at. You know, $3. You know, pretty big resistance here. So didn't think it was going to break it at the time. It did end up breaking it, and then it sold off. So not the strongest breakthrough, but I was hoping to scalp it up to 305 or whatever. But you know, I'll take the $90 for sure. MNGA, this one I absolutely bought at the high of day. It hit my high of day scanner, my high of day low float scanner. The daily chart is, I mean, terrible downtrend, right? Long term, but recently had this pop up consolidation, and then this next move up. I was hoping would happen today. Volume started coming in as it was going high of day, and I went long. I got a terrible fill. I literally filled at the high of day, 153. Got close to it, got close to it. Just couldn't get the momentum. I could have gotten out at 150 multiple times, which I should have done. I did not do that. Um, let's see. I ended up getting out, yeah, through here. Uh, right here. That's where I got out at. Basically, golly, 146 is where I got filled at. 6 cent loss, 3,000 shares, $180 loss there. So wasn't too happy about that one. So my next play was XCO. This one was a 5 minute candle over candle play, right? So huge flagpole consolidation makes it a nice flag. Uh, I even got three candles of consolidation, and then I was looking for the break right here. This break, I was going to go long. I did 167. You can see it on the 1 minute chart here. Went long right here. Didn't go anywhere. Just a small little pop up. And I was like, well, crap. That's not what I thought it would do. I thought it would break this level and then just start ripping, which it ended up doing, but it didn't do fast enough. So I got out basically minus $130. So DFFN, this one I wanted to short, and I wish I didn't have two losers back to back because I wanted to hold this almost all day. Um, you can see here on the daily chart, every single time there's a pop, it sells off 100%. And today I thought would be no different whatsoever. So it had news, that's why it was popping up, and a lot of chat rooms played this to the long side. But I had the opportunity to short this, and I shorted it at, let's see, right here, going for the candle under candle, right? So drop, consolidate, drop is what I was going for. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at on the 5 minute. You can see here, I shorted at 10.28 right here. I didn't think it was going to go up anymore. It's spent some time. I thought it was going to go down. I shorted at 10.28. Held it, waiting for the drop. Right here, let's see. Right here is where I covered for a 2 cent win, right? As soon as I covered, the very next moment is where the drop came in for 10 more cents. And then from there on out, it just kind of went into the 20s today, and I really think tomorrow it'll just continue on down to the $2 level. But I missed the move I was looking for by 1 minute, but that happens. But anyway, I got out for a penny and a half, $50. So AYR had some news that they were in talks to be bought out, merger, whatever. And so it just unconfirmed, whatever. So it popped up, right? And then we had this huge spike that it came right back down. It's this candle right here, very, very bearish. But it's on the 1 minute, so it's not always the strongest thing, right? So I wanted to short the first candle under candle on the 1 minute. So I shorted right, we were inside this candle right here, and I shorted, went green, came right back up, and then just took off on me. So it was like, okay, if it breaks this level right here, I covered inside here, but if it was going to break this level, I was going to cover. Sure enough, we broke that level. I covered basically an 18-cent loss, $180, taking knocks, out of my green day. And it continued. It was a good cover. I mean, it didn't do what I thought it would do. I was looking for the breakdown right here to move back down. I mean, it had moved. What is this? Almost a buck from when I got in. So I'm like, okay, this needs to pull back. It just didn't do it, and then it was super strong. And we'll get. I shorted it later on, but we'll get to that in just a second. So AEZS, this one, huge move out of nowhere, like a million shares in 1 minute, 1,000,003 the next minute, moved up, double topped here, right? So then the move came back down really fast, and it broke $3, which I would have thought if people were shorting this thing, they would have covered under 3. So I took a stab. I didn't mean to take this many shares, 3,000. I actually wanted to take 1,000 shares, but I took 3, and looking for that candle over candle, give me a little pop, maybe over 3, and I was going to sell over 3. Didn't happen. Got a quick pop up, and it didn't go anywhere. It hit 3, looked like it was going to break 3, and then just broke down really fast. And I sold inside this candle right here for a 7-cent loss. It did go not much lower. Did pop up, didn't hit 3 there, and finally broke 3 and got that move I was looking for, but just a little early on it. And at this point, I gave back all my wins of the morning, and I think it was down $50. You can see again as it was coming back up towards 3. I tried it again. I got in here again. It tapped 3. Didn't look like it was going to hit it, so I got out really quick, and it flushed all the way down to 288 again. So I avoided disaster on that one. Got out for $15 loss. So AYR started to finally calm down a little bit. 5-minute chart shows it all. Moving up, moving up, moving up, stalling out right here. Volume's kind of disappearing. It's due for a candle under candle in the 5-minute and move back down. So I was kind of watching this area thinking, okay, it's plateaued, it's going to pull back. And that's what I played. 12.12 when I got in. Right inside this candle, looking for candle under candle. Went short 1,000 shares at 23.24. Let's see, 12.12. Right here, you can kind of see it. And this was a nice candle to see too on the 1 minute pop up, came right back down. So any kind of pop up, I was going to short, got short 12.20 or 23.24, and sure enough, as soon as this level right here broke, we got a little bit of a flush out. Volume came in, started to move down, down, down. Right here we broke. Right here we broke 23, but it came right back up real quick. So it was showing signs that it was going to be a little bit of support. So the next time it came back down, I covered right inside this candle here, got filled at 23.22 for a 22-cent win on 1,000 shares, 220 bucks. So CAPR, right? You see on the 5-minute chart, desert island, nothing going on. 1-minute chart, exact same thing, right? Nothing, nothing, nothing. All of a sudden, this huge spike. What is this huge spike? This is Jason Bond, the swing trader at Raging Bull. This is him and his group buying 350,000 shares. I mean, he only bought 30,000, but him and his group, that's how many people are in this thing. That's why I keep pumping this to you all. You can make money off of these trades, just scalping their moves. So anyway, they bought. I got the alert. I was just going to scalp it. I took 3,000 shares. Didn't get the best fill in the world, but I made about, 15 bucks on the trade. Didn't get it popped over 130, and I tried to sell into this pop, but I got filled like at 130. So I made half a penny, $15 on it. Then of course, as soon as I sold, I got the 5 cents I was looking for. But he bought right here. This is where Jason Bond bought right there, 121. So he's already up. Where did this close at today? 128. That's probably after hours. He could have sold for 15 cents, but he didn't. He's holding it into tomorrow. But that's why I pump these guys. They can move stocks, and it's nice to be on the winning side. It's easier to make money when you know the direction the stock is going to go because thousands of people are buying it. So it is, it's a pump and dump. That's what it is. That's the entire stock market is a pump and dump. If you look at it through those glasses, you'll feel better because everything from the top guys down to the little fishies of the pumping newsletters, it's all one big pump and dump. So CBay has been acting irrationally recently, so I wanted to play on that a little bit. I mean, 2 days ago they had this huge news and it sold off 100%. Then after hours, they say that they're going to do a big offering. It drops and then goes all the way back up, right? And then the next day, it goes and challenges the high of the previous. I mean, it just makes no sense. And then they announce the offering. The price is at 620, right down here. Stock doesn't even get close to that, and today's no different. So I don't understand the stock. I don't know why it's going up, but I wanted to play off the illogical moves that it's making. So I was watching it. I was approaching 750 here, and I thought, okay, if 750 breaks, we're probably going to get a pop. That's what ends up happening. You can see that here. So 1321, that's the candle that ends up breaking. You can kind of see the movement here. If you're watching the L2, you could see every time there was a drop, it'd be bought up. So it popped up, consolidating, moving back up. So I was looking for it to break this level, 750, and get a good pop. And sure enough, that's what happened. Bought 3,000 shares as that was happening. 1321, where are we? Right here, you can see the pop come up. And I sold at 756 inside of this candle right here. So 6-cent win, 3,000 shares, $180. HTZ was my next play. This is actually a sympathy play. So news came out that Rent-A-Center was rumored to be offered another buyout deal. You can see the huge move here from 12.50 up to like 13 bucks. Came out that it's rumored that another group is going to offer them another buyout deal. So I played a sympathy play to that. Hertz, right? I went long Hertz. Once I heard that news, this thing took off at 16.75. Volume came in here and it popped up 5 cents, and I sold for 150 bucks, and that gave me my wins for today. 491. Happy to be green. Like I said, I was up over $600, lost it all, and ended green with 491. So if you have any questions on my trading style, please feel free to contact me. The easiest way to do that is through Discord. You can also email me at stockjock@gmail.com. Again, this Discord chat is free. It's here to help people out. There's still people in there right now, just talking about stocks throughout the night. It's a great chat room. It's free right now. Come on in and enjoy the conversation, and let's all make some money. But again, if you're also interested in the ones that I subscribe to Raging Bull, the swing trade. I subscribe to Raging Bull, the day trade, and Warrior Trading, as well as a couple of news sources. All that is listed down in the link below. If you're serious about trading, you have to be in chat rooms. I say it in every single video, and I won't stop saying it. You have to be in there. They're such a helpful tool. You cannot trade alone. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.